started only speaking in terms of 3D as a technology, and today we speak more about advanced manufacturing. So we want to speak about digital manufacturing, we want to speak about robotics, we want to speak about cybersecurity. All the elements that combine together are fostering this digital transformation of the different industries.